To change the settings on the standard ArcCapture camera, you'll need to use the UART cable. One side of the cable goes into the camera, and then the USB side goes into your computer. You can then make all the changes to the settings that you would like. Hit confirm, and then you're good to unplug, and use the camera like normal. Now it is time to show you how to change the settings of the ArcCapture with Wi-Fi camera. To do this, you tap on the icon on the top left, and you're presented with a couple of different options, very similar to what you would find and see in a typical welding helmet. First, you have flip. Flip will flip the image of the camera across the x-axis. And then very similar to a typical welding helmet, you have sensitivity and brightness. You can click on these values and change the sensitivity, and you can change the values for the brightness. For brightness, if you're welding high amperage applications or a very, very bright application, you could possibly get banding on your screen. When you get that, or if you get that, increase your brightness level to help reduce the chance of that happening. This here is where you can change the name of your camera. Mirror over here, it will mirror the image across the y-axis, and show grid will actually put a grid on the image to help align the camera to make sure it's parallel and aligns the workpiece centered up on your camera. If you make any changes, you can hit confirm to lock those changes in, and click that icon again to exit out. For any additional questions or further instructions, refer to your owner's manual.